over this SRM. It's also called global, it's also called weather modification. It's called weather manipulation. I like to call it messing with Mother Nature. About the only thing we can do about this is call our elected representatives in the state and federal level, demanding they stop and telling them we do not consent. They are blocking our sun out for some reason or other, and it's awful obvious by these questions. My second thing I have about spraying is a little more locally. And I think I finally figured it out. I couldn't understand why we keep spraying roads that are gravel on the sides, 100% of them with deadly Roundup. It finally hit me, well, my wife actually mentioned, there's not many baby deer running around this year. And I thought, boy, she's right for such a mild winter. There should be 3 or 4 times as many baby deer. So the only rational reason for spraying and wasting tax dollars is perhaps for deer control. Rational perhaps to use, but criminally irresponsible to the children of Ocean Shores. I have called various state agencies of this demanding an investigation, telling them of our observation and info pertaining to a missing MSDS on what was sprayed. Did they add apple or alfalfa scent to their deadly cocktail? Maybe a few of you know. How many of you have children? Did you research Roundup, or rather its inner ingredients? A study conducted by the French at the University of Caen, C-A-E-N, where they concluded Roundup's inner ingredients, which aren't tested by Monsanto, was more deadly to embryonic and umbilical cord and placenta cells than the herbicide glyphosate itself. Another quote from this study, all 4 Roundup formulations damaged all 3 cell types. This study further suspects that Roundup might cause pregnancy problems by interfering with hormone production and possibly leading to low birth weights or miscarriages. This research study appeared in the journal Chemical Research on Toxicology. U.S. Municipal Code, Ocean Shores Municipal Code 19.02.090, A3, protect surface and groundwater quality by removing nutrients and chemical detoxification of it, not adding pollution to our storm drains.
30 seconds.
And 19.02.080, best available science isn't available, no risk approach. In closing, I ask, do you have children again? And what is the real reason for spraying roads that don't have a weed problem, but do have a lack of fog lines problem? All I can say is I don't get it. And God is watching.